Go.
Alright, this is called levitating.
Levitating.
See that card? It's a J of hearts. I'm just gonna put this thing, send it to a picture, alright?
Send it to a picture.
Like, send it to some picture, like, around here. Right.
Okay.
Watch this. 1, 2. Look over there.
Oh my gosh, it's a J. Okay.
Pick a card, any card. Got your card?
Yep.
Alright, I just want to put it in the center. Alright? Now I'm just gonna take this deck, separate it, and just shuffle it so I can get a good shuffle. Have a good shuffle. And then I'm gonna levitate your card. Alright. I hear my stomach.
Oh my gosh. That's the card.
Is that your card?
Yep.
Alright, you see that? And clubs.
9.
Clubs. 1, 2, 3.
2 cards. Sorry, when you did it, it showed anyway.
Yeah. Let me see it. Let me see it.
2 magic.
Alright, you see that card? I'm gonna make it a J of clubs. I'm just gonna tap it 3 times and I'm gonna send it to one picture around here. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Look over there.
It's the J. Oh my gosh, it's a J.
Okay.
One card. Up. Up. Alright. Now you just tell them they pick this one. See? Pick only this one.
That one.
That one. So it's a 7 of clubs.
Okay.
Alright. And then you just put it right there, right? Up. Have it right here. Just shuffle it with one hand. Shuffle it with one hand. See, these are my favorite cards because they're real cool.
They're purple.
They're cool. Like these. Like these. Alright, let's do some other art then you just tell them this card. This one helps a lot. Put it back there. So that you remember the other card that was here? 7 of clubs?
Yeah.
Do that. 9.
It's a 9.
So this one just helped to travel the other one here in this deck, and the other random one goes inside there. Here you go. Bye.